Hi, everybody. I'm Allison Williams here, your law firm mentor. Law Firm Mentor is a business coaching service for solo and small law firm attorneys. We help you grow your revenues, crush chaos in business, and make more money. So today, I want to talk to you a little bit about marketing when you have multiple practice areas in one law firm. So for a lot of solo attorneys, when you first start your career and you first start your foray into being a business owner, you are struggling with where to get your clients from. And so, of course, anyone that walks through the door becomes a client. We call that door law. Lots of people practice door law when they first own a law firm. But at some point, you're probably going to narrow down your practice areas to one or two areas. And if you don't just have one area, if you're not just a family law attorney or criminal defense attorney or real estate attorney, it may be hard for you to figure out, how do I create marketing around all of the things that I do when they're not the same thing, right? So for those of us that practice in one area, I'm sure we've heard a lot about niche marketing, where you take your practice area and you scale it down to something really, really small so that you become the big fish in the big fish in the small pond. And that's something like a family law attorney that only caters to divorce for men, or a criminal defense attorney who only represents first-time offenders, or a real estate attorney who is focused on high-end commercial real estate for serial entrepreneurs. When you have a niche area, you become the authority in your practice area. And so it's hard to translate that over when you have multiple practice areas, except when you use this little trick, which I'm going to tell you about now. So when you have multiple practice areas, you want to do theme marketing. That means whatever it is that you do in your various different practice areas, there's a reason why, and you have to tap into why, so that when you're communicating about your practice areas, it makes sense that you would have another related practice area. So for instance, if you are a family law attorney and you help families going through the dissolution of their current state of relationship so that they can recreate something new, you could also be an estate planning attorney, because you're helping families to recreate a sense of financial wealth, or redistribute financial wealth within a family, right? You're still serving the family. Or perhaps if you're a personal injury attorney and you help people that have gone through catastrophic circumstances, you could also be a criminal defense attorney who helps to prevent catastrophic circumstances by keeping people out of jail. Whenever you start thinking about what you're going to say to your marketplace, your why becomes very important. So a great resource I would recommend for that is Start With Why by Simon Sinek. And of course, the follow-up to that is Find Your Why. And Find Your Why is a great book that helps people to figure out why it is that they were drawn to their various practice areas, so that you can create that theme with a lot of synergy to who you are. I'm Allison Williams, your law firm mentor. And if you want to know more about how to use theme marketing in your business, click on the link below and I can talk to you about that at any time. Have a great day.